sketch pattern. What is linear sketch pattern? So let's see. First create one plane sketch. Now our one sketch is ready. Now go to sketch, and this is the linear sketch pattern. There are two patterns. First we will study today linear sketch pattern. Okay. First we are going to study, then first we will draw some geometry. One rectangle, then make one circle here. Okay. Now in linear sketch pattern we can copy this circle in many ways, in many number of times, vertical position, horizontal position, or in an angle way. So let's see how to make number of copies. Select. Now it is here selected x-axis. This is x-axis, and make distance 25 mm or keep bigger 35 mm. And here select how many number of holes you want. So select 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this is x direction. Here one option, instances to skip. Select, and if you want to skip any hole, like select this hole, select this hole. Okay. You see, so holes are skipped, and this is the number of holes. Now we will go for y-axis. So select linear sketch pattern. X-axis, make one piece, hide, and y-axis. Select this pattern, and in y-axis select distance first 35 mm, and we need 3 numbers. Okay, and select this arrow, so it is going down, or you can also select from here up, down. It is up to you where you want. And the same as here, if you want to skip anything, just click the button and the circle will skip. Okay, so see, here we created 3 circles in y-axis. If suppose you want to draw in any angle position, so let's see how to sketch. Select this, make this 1, we need make some 3, 4, 5, 6, distance 35 mm, and here degree, make 120 degree, make opposite direction, make number of 6, make this 320 degree, or make again 340. Increase distance, select. Okay. So see, we created in our angle position also. So this is the very useful tool in 2D sketch, linear sketch pattern. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe our channel for more.